Good morning all, and welcome to the morning summary video on Friday the 2nd of July. Bit of a non-starter really today because it is non-farm, so we expect some wild swings this afternoon. I want to start today really with cable and euro dollar. The idea of getting long obviously appeals to me now that we've broken out and we've got some big swings up, major silver crosses with the daily trend on cable. But I'm afraid there's no level here which would give me huge confidence in buying unless it pulled back down towards 123 on euro dollar, because you see, if I try and hit off the 1 hourly 20, the next support below that is a daily pivot, and the next support below that's a weekly pivot and the 4 hourly 20. For me, far too far gone to even consider taking a long trade on this at this moment in time. Drop it down to a 15-minute chart, you can see exactly what I mean. They're just too big a gaps to the downside that just scares me away from trading these, so I'm avoiding these first thing in the morning. Cable, same sort of thing. Daily pivot, 4 hourly 20, 60-minute 20, they're all too far spread. I like to see them close on my major silver crosses when I trade them. So I'm afraid I'm going to be a bit of a wimp today, and I'm going to avoid trading them altogether. Okay? So what I have to wait for is I have to wait for pullbacks, settle, then once they've settled, I can look for possible trades. At this moment in time, there is nothing on these two. Euro yen for anyone who trades, obviously major silver cross, keep your eye on support coming in off this daily pivot 4 hourly 20. I have that reservation too though, that we could start seeing crosses back down today, so I'm going to be looking for those more than anything. On two pairs which I am going to be looking to trade is Aussie dollar, just hit the 4 hourly 20, broken back above the monthly pivot. I want to, however, take it down to a 15-minute chart and just show you the possibility of a baby silver cross to the south, through the monthly pivot, see the baby silver cross come in, 1, 2, 3 play off the hourly 20 monthly pivot, and I will be looking for a short play. At the same time, she breaks back up and we get a major silver cross, I'll look to take a long on this because we'll then have confirmation of a possible move higher. Okay? Looking across at the Canadian dollar against the dollar, we're about to see a baby silver cross on this through the daily pivot. Of course, all I'm waiting for is a break up with the trend, wait for the cross to come in, pull back on top, and then look to be getting long at around this 106 region with a stop below this previous low at 105.50. Okay, we are going to need to get our stops in pretty quick this morning. Obviously, as we know, it's going to be fairly volatile. So what I want to do is I want to wait for all this confirmation to come in, and then I'll be looking to take trades. I'm afraid I'm not going to go through any other pairs this morning. I don't have a view of what's going to happen this afternoon. All I know is that at this moment in time, Aussie dollar and dollar CAD look the best to me. So short and sharp, baby silver crosses or major silver crosses on dollar CAD and Aussie dollar are what I'm looking for this morning.